True with Guns America. We are at SHOT Show 2025. I'm at the Beretta Range Day today. In my hand is the brand new Beretta. This is the Bobcat 20X DIY, and I had to ask what DIY meant because I'm apparently stupid, but it stands for do it yourself. So the idea here is that you can sort of take this gun and turn it into anything you want to. So the new features on this new Bobcat are that number one, it comes with a threaded barrel. So just to be clear, it does not come with a suppressor, but it does come with a threaded barrel, so it's set up for that or some sort of a muzzle device. It has suppressor height sights. It is still a hammer fired gun, single action, double action. It's got a safety. There's some other new features here. It's got G10 grips on it, which are quite aggressive, which is awesome. It has a new way of opening the barrel here. So one of the cool things, if you're not familiar with the Bobcat, the Beretta Bobcat, is that you don't have to rack the slide on this. You can just push this button, which the button is new, and the barrel pops open. You load your round in. You don't ever have to rack the slide. So really cool. The other thing that's changed is the mag release button's not in the grip anymore. It's up here kind of where we like it. This is made in the USA. Pretty neat little 22 caliber handgun. I guess I didn't even tell you that before. It is 22 caliber, so we're all a fan of 22 long rifle. It's inexpensive. There's lots of options for it. It's a great sort of prepper or preparedness type handgun or caliber. So that's it right there. Make sure you tell us in the comments what you think of the new 20X Bobcat DIY. Gonna shoot it, so stand by. One other new thing, the magazine now holds 8 rather than the original 6. So we actually tried to shoot this with really slow subsonics, and it didn't want to extract. They just don't have enough pressure. So we're now shooting the supersonics. So that's all you have to do to make sure you have an empty chamber. Pop your mag out and you can see you're clear, no racking the slide. So great for people that don't have super strong hands. All right, the other thing we want to just mention here is there's the same thing in what's called the 30X. The only difference is it's a 32 auto. So also new from Beretta. Okay, please make sure you like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you on the next video.